Hey guys, it's Megan Maria. In this video, we're going to make a project using DreamLab inside of Canva. So this is my first time that I'm gonna use these features inside of Canva. So without further ado, let's go to Canva and let's see what we can make it. Okay, so now I'm here in Google and let's go to Canva. Type that Canva, and if you already have an account, then just log into your account. So today we're going to make something different. So let's see what this DreamLab can make into our project. Okay, so we just click this one, and as you see, the drop October X what's new. So this is the video, and if you scroll down here, there are so many new features here that you can try and see if you would like it. But if you don't have a pro account, maybe you cannot have an access to this, and there's so many things here that you can try. If you have a pro account, well, you can use all of these features that you see. There's a crown. This is what I want to try for now. So once I click this one, I really don't know how it works or how it goes. This is my first time to this DreamLab. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one and let's see how many credits that I have. All right, so now guys, as you see here on your top right, you see I have 500 credits because I log into my pro account. If I log into my free account, I think I only get 20 credits. So since I'm here on my pro account, so I have 500 credits, so I can create I don't know how many images I can create with this. So it depends on my prompts. Okay, so what image would you like to create today? Okay, so I want to try to create an image of a comic book. So I went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT here to give me prompts, AI prompts for creating cartoon scenes for social skills book for kids ages 3 to 5 years old. So there are some prompts that ChatGPT gave to me. So you can go ahead to ChatGPT, or I can show you here, but I know lots of you know how to use ChatGPT. Just type on the message bar what you want so that ChatGPT can help you. So here is one of, I'm going to try this example, these prompts that ChatGPT gave to me. So it's sharing and taking turns. Okay, so I'm going to type here on this bar. All right, so this is the prompt that I want to use to create an image that I want for this cartoon comic book. So I wrote, two cheerful cartoon children share a big red ball on a sunny playground with a sandbox and swing in the playground. Okay, so since I have 500 credits, so let's use the 1 credit and let's see what this DreamLab can give to me, the image that I want it into this kind of prompt. Okay, so click. Oh, hold on. Okay. All right, so now here is, we're going to set this one. So I want to use this for let's say 16 by 9, like a video size. So let's click the create and let's see how it looks like. So yes, I'm so excited. This is my first time using this one. So yeah, let's see. All right, there you go. Oh, that's nice. Looks like cartoon. This looks like a kid's book, right? So there are two children share a big red ball on a sunny playground with a sandbox and swing in the playground. All right, so choose which one do you want here. Like for example, you want this one, you want this one. What you're gonna do is just to download this, and then there you go. All right, so now I only have 499 credits because I already used one credit. But for 1 credit, they'll give you 4 images where you can choose from, and then you can download it. Okay, you can delete this generation if you want to. So then these images are created with AI. So of course, make sure that you read these usage guidelines and terms to apply. I just want to show you guys what image that you can create if you put a prompts here. So if you want to create a book for kids, so just type your prompts here, and it will give you the image that you need for your book. Okay, so I think I like this one. So like for example, I want to create another one. So let's say, okay, I'm gonna go to my ChatGPT and type again the other prompts that I need for this book. Alright, so these images are for sharing and taking turns. So now I want to create an image for saying please and thank you. So ChatGPT give me a prompt, what to use for creating an image saying please and thank you. So a smiling child holding out a toy and saying please to another child with a sunny classroom setting filled with a color blocks and books. So okay, so the theme for this is saying thank you and please. Okay, so I want to generate another image. So let's create this one, an image for this. So here is the cartoon image, or if you want to use this like kind of real kids playing together and sharing things like that, or sharing toys, then you can also choose this one. And you want to print. So if you're making a book, what you're gonna do is just to write down here the prompts, and then it will give you the image, and then you can use these images for your books. All right, okay, so let's try another prompts from here. Alright, I want these images as a coloring book. Okay, so I'm just gonna say make these images like a coloring book. I just want to test, guys, if this DreamLab can create coloring books for kids, or whatever you color that you want, animals, flowers, things like that. So let's give these prompts and see what this DreamLab can create for us. Oh, make these images like coloring book. Okay, this is not what I want. I think they're just giving me like a cover for coloring books, like this one, charming colors books. Okay, so it depends on the prompt. Okay, I might change the prompt. Okay, so I want to, if you see this one, guys, I want to reuse this prompt. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one and just click this one. If you want to reuse the same prompts, two children, or two cheerful cartoon children share a big red ball on a sunny playground with a sandbox and swing in the playground. Okay, then I'm gonna say make these images black and white for children to color. All right, so let's see. So we're testing a lot of prompts, so we can get what we want from this. Okay, these images. Okay, so I use the same, I reuse these images. Oh, sorry, I reuse this prompt, and I just add here that make these images black and white for children to color. Okay, let's create. Okay, let's wait for seconds. Oh, there you go. So they can now color this one. Oh, I should put, you see, guys, the ball is still in red, so I want the red ball to be black and white. Okay, so I'm gonna reuse this one and just click the reuse the prompt. Add this, make this red ball a black and white. Okay, let's create this one. Oh, okay, so they have this one, but they didn't get this one. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna choose this one. All right, so now there you go. They give you the one that has like black and white. There still have the red one here. If you want this one, then you can just download it and put into your Canva to edit it, and make any changes if you want to. All right, so now we already finished testing this one, that we can create a book or any kind of book that you want by putting your prompts here, or typing your prompt here. And if you are not satisfied with what images that they gave to you, then you can always click this one and reuse the prompt, or add more commands that you want to use until you get the images that you want, like what I did here. I want all of this to be all white, and the ball also. So if you wanna want the ball to stay red, then you can choose this one. But I want all of this, including the ball, to be black and white, so that kids can color this one. So my first example that I've showed you is for kids. So This one is for adults. So create a mandala coloring book for adults. So let's see what will image that we got from this prompt. Okay, I'm gonna click create, and let's see if this can give us a mandala coloring book. I need to change this one, but it's okay. Okay, they give me this one, but I want a coloring. Oh, this prompt is not good. So okay, I'm gonna reuse this one, and I'm gonna say, okay, create a mandala black and white for adults coloring pages. Okay, let's see, guys. All right, there you go. We need to be specific, guys. I said create a mandala black and white for adults coloring pages. So this is what I got. Okay, so you can choose which one do you want, and then you can download it. So yeah, so be specific to, you know, whatever images that you want. You can always reuse this one or add other, you know, commands or words if you think this is not what you are wanted. Like what you see, guys, they gave me like a color mandala, which I really don't like it because I want it to be black and white for coloring. So you have to put the black and white. So, you know, we have to practice prompting. You know, I'm not good on prompting also. That's why, as you see, while doing this, I have a lot of, you know, trying and error, you know, creating this one. So I just want to let you know, guys, and show you guys that this DreamLab can help you to create images for your projects. If you want to make books for kids, then you can just put whatever you want here. Use ChatGPT to you know, give you some prompts and scripts that you can use or type into this bar, so you can create the image that you want to for your projects. Okay? Just be mindful, guys, if you have a pro account, you have a 500 credits. So if you have a free account, you have 20 credits, so you can, I think, use like 20 images for your project if you're using a free account. All right, so I hope this helps, guys. And if you really want to use this one, like for example, you want this one, you can just go edit and it will go into your Canva pages here. So there you go. So you can just share this one and download or print it, and then you can start coloring. Okay, this is not the size that I want for this, so I just didn't change the 16:9 as a video size. So you can also customize the size of your images if you want to. All right, so that's all for today's, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go to your Canva account and generate your dreams using this DreamLab. Make fun of it and play around with it, so what you can do inside of Canva. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for giving time to watch my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave this channel. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. See you next time. Bye for now.